Yeah, not too bad at all. So you're using the HTX 242 there now. Just put her at 10 watts again and come back. Yeah, you got a lot of static coming back there. Now just put her on 45 and come back. There you go. That's a lot better. That's a lot better, that is.
Yeah, and on the bright side, if I want to, in the evening, I can plug the headphones into the back of this one. And my headphones with my metal detector, came with my metal detector, have the mono switch on the side, so I can actually hear through both ears.
Right on, yeah, cool. So how long ago was it you got your license there? What, a couple weeks or a week or so?
This Friday passed, so 2 days ago would have been exactly 1 week.
Yes, bye. Cool. Awesome.
Yeah, that's a big relief, and I mean, it's been my saving grace the past couple of weeks, and the past week being stuck around the house, being able to get on and chat with everybody and have a laugh and whatnot. Definitely been doing my mental health wonders, that's for sure.
Yeah. Well, everybody cooped up. I can't do very much now, but it's COVID.
Yeah, I can't wait till the nice weather to get out for a hike and try around a few spots and that when I get my handheld and take the idea out with me and see what different spots I can hit and whatnot when I'm on a handheld around.
You'd be surprised with a handheld, buddy, what you can work there for sure. But yeah, she just warms up a little bit there. I plan on doing a bit of outside stuff myself this year, I think, for a change.
It'd be kind of cool to keep you on a handheld and me on a handheld and bounce around a few different spots and see if we can get each other.
Yeah. See how she goes.
I'm hoping we'll be able to get on the go to summertime, even if it is, you go to one side of the field and I go 300 feet on the other side of the field.
Yeah, for sure. There's another buddy of mine picked up a handheld there actually, and we're out doing some metal detecting. We're going to take the radios with us to handhelds so we can keep in touch without having to yell out.
Yeah, I can't wait to get the handheld again so that I can be portable and on the go.
Yeah, for sure. A VO1TAD, VO1MDS, 1465550.
That's one habit I gotta get into that I keep forgetting to do.
What's that now?
Every so often, broadcasting myself and whoever I'm talking to, and the frequency or repeater, but sometimes you get scabbed and you lose track of time.
Yeah, you only got to do it every half hour, but it does it when I thinks about it. if I says it, I don't need to worry about it.
Yeah, for sure. On that system, few times that all of us have gotten on chatting for an hour, hour and a half, and then somebody else on will remember to do it.
Yeah, for sure. Is it, but that's how she goes.
So I gotta say though, the audio on this little 242 is deadly. Like, absolutely deadly.
Alright, then. Just try talking into the microphone, see if the audio comes up.
VO1TAD on 146550.
Yeah, see. Closer you talk to the mic, the louder you are. You hear you a lot better when you're talking right into her.
So, say right about here?
Yep, right about there. I'm only an inch away from the mic.
Yeah, it's about that. Basically, I'm using my thumb as a distance marker from the side of my face.
Right on, yeah. Cool. Cool.
I gotta say, the mic on this is very comfortable. Like, it literally fits right in the palm of your hand perfectly.
Yeah, well, that's like the one I got here. Just like a regular regular stock microphone. It's small, it's not bulky. It's just right.
Yeah, and even with gloves, like you can get a good solid grip on this one.
Yep, for sure.
You must be just taking the rest of the day to pretty much relax, are you?
Say that again.
You must be just taking the rest of the day to pretty much just lean back and relax, are you?
Pretty much. Got another busy week coming up, so you know.
So pretty much take advantage of today to hide out.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, it looks like the wind might be starting to pick up again outside. There's a little bit of snow blowing around outside the window now.
Right on there. Supposed to get cold this afternoon. Down to like -10 or something.
Yeah, -23 with the wind chill tonight.
Awesome. I put the woolies on tonight.
I got lucky and XYL got me one of them buffalo wool blankets or whatever you call them for Christmas. And I gotta say, man, is that thing ever toasty warm.
Yeah. So what do you want? Something nice, something good and warm to put on. I like myself there, boy. It's I like to be warm and toasty myself.
Yeah, same here, and that, well, I mean, I got down in the room where I'm down in the shack, I guess you could say, it's reading 20 degrees down here right now, so it's not too warm, not too cold, like a nice, comfortable temperature.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. You don't want it too hot, hey, boy. But, what is it?
I'm just more or less keeping the heat on just enough to keep the dampness and the chill out of the room because of all the radio equipment down here.
Yeah, this stuff don't like being damp. I can tell you that.
No, and I'd rather not take the chance.
Roger that. But other than that, boy, you sounds pretty good on that done. On the 242, the other radio, like I say, she's pretty staticky. I don't know if it's something wrong with it or just the way it is. I don't know.
It's funny, this one sounds better than the commercial radio.
Yeah. Is it, boy? Is it? Probably just needs a tune-up, that's all.
Yeah, I'm not sure. He told me when it was last tuned, but I'm pretty sure it's been a while.
Yeah. Yeah, they needs it after a while, but.
Yeah, I suppose it's like any electronic needs to be looked at every now and then.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh well, VO1TAD, VO1MDS on 550.
What kind of radio did you say you were running?
Right now, it's Kenwood TK760HG.
Is that the big gray one that was on the desk the last time I was up there?
No, it's a little small black mobile one.
Oh, okay. About the same size as the 242?
Yeah, about the same size, yeah.
Yeah, like I said before, I've always liked the Kenwood radios. They've always been really good radios in my eyes.
Yeah, they're not bad. I say they all got their quirks.
Yeah, I suppose it all depends on what your use is and what you're looking for.
Yeah, for sure. And how rough you run them.
Yeah, that's why I usually try to keep a close eye on my stuff. I think my next project over the next few days is I'm going to build a nice little wood cabinet with a little face plate and everything. And so that all the radios will have like a little slot to slide in on the, I guess you could say like a little cabinet to put up on the back wall of my workbench here so that they're all organized, no tangle of wires. All you'll see is basically the faceplate of the radios.
Yeah, right on, yeah. Well, like I say, the antenna I'm using here is just an ordinary ground plane, built on the cover of an old radio, and that's what I got her. That's what I got the antenna made out of. The old ground plane, got a fiberglass whip and a mount and whatnot, and she works perfect.
Okay, copy that. Yeah, I'm having no trouble keeping on my end.
Yeah, she warms up a little bit. Like I said, I got a better antenna that I got that I can get put up. I should have left it up last time it was up, but you know, it's like you go moving stuff around.
Yeah, copy that. Yeah, I just adjusted my antenna a little bit, and I watched the signal go up as you were talking.
Yeah, nice thing about a Yagi. See, they're very directive little antennas.
Yeah, solid copy on that, because I went from about a 7 to a 9, or 7 to an 8, sorry, receiving it, just adjusting it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, even your signal coming in here, like your audio wise, whatever, it's a bit stronger now than what it was about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, as you've been talking, I've been trying to adjust it a little bit and watching my signal.
Yeah, roger that. Well, there you go. Now you know how them things works.
Yeah, definitely. And like I said, it's amazing how well that works for some old scrap wood coat hangers and a few nuts and bolts and a piece of coax.
Well, as they say, whatever works.
So that's one thing I love. There's so many little projects like that you can try out.
Yeah, there's a lot of different antennas you can put together if you got the patience and the tools to do it.
Yeah, I really wanted to try out that gamma match, but I got to get a few things before I can do that.
Roger. Yeah, they're not too hard to make.
No, there's one channel I found on YouTube. It's a ham amateur from down in the States somewhere, and his videos are so straightforward, easy to follow. You don't need 30 years experience to figure out what he's saying. Like, he makes it so simple and straightforward. It's really nice.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, the only problem now with this type of radio, regards to signal strength, there's no real S meter on these. It's just an indicator saying, "Yep, I can hear you."
Yeah, but I'm taking your advice, and there in the next week or two, I'm ordering a SWR meter off of Amazon.
Well, you should, because you don't know what you're running the radio into, right?
Yeah, at least then you can keep an eye on it.
Well, you won't kill your radio.
Yeah, definitely.
But there you have it. VO1TAD, VO1MDS on 146550.